Hey Debbie, my name's Melissa. I'm with Kylie over at Rengen. I just wanted to shoot over this quick video for you and give you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So basically there's three ways that you can do that. It has to do with your content on your webpage, citations, and backlinks. So first, let's go over content. So you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And you want those to be relative to your scope of work. You want it to be something that people are searching for, like life coach in the area that you want to serve, things like that. I also wanted to point out when you upload these pictures, you also want to save those as those relative keywords as well. Because when you just upload them with the random numbers and letters that it automatically saves as a file, it's really doing nothing for you as far as in Google's eyes, trying to capture you and bring some more traffic to your site. So let's go over and look in Google, and I just searched up life coach in the USA. So all of these at the top, these are paid Google ads. So people are paying per click for all of these. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. So the map pack is all the people that have a Google My Business page. And with these, in order to get to these top three, which is where you really want to be at, you want to have at least 25 five-star reviews, 10 to 15 pictures. And also, if you add some citations, that'll actually help you optimize this GMB page as well. So citations are any directory where your business name, phone number, and location is listed. So all of these up here, those look like directories. So these would be citations that would actually help your site rank as well. And then if you scroll down a little bit, these are what's called the organics. So let's see what this guy's doing. We'll click on that first one. Okay, so let's take a look at her website. So it looks like she has a lot of content on it, some pictures. So we use this program called Ahrefs, and it actually analyzes the website. So let's go take a look at hers. So if you look at this, you can see, so the UR is actually how powerful your site is, and the DR is going to be how trustworthy your site is. Also, it looks like she has over 2,000 keywords, and that's bringing about, wow, over 1,000 people to her site every month. She also has quite a few backlinks, 787 from 130 referring domains. So a backlink is any article, website, blog that's actually referring your website and driving that traffic back to your site. But notice, all backlinks are not created equal. So you don't want to have backlinks that are super spammy or coming from sites that have nothing to do with what you're trying to search for. Like, you don't want anything that doesn't have to do with life coaching or anything like that. And that's also what's going to bring up your trust rating in Google's eyes. So basically, it's just like a popularity contest. The more power you have, the more trustworthy sites that you have coming back to your site. Google's really going to see that and drive up this number. So let's take a look at your site. So it looks like you only have three keywords. You don't have anybody coming to your site per month organically. You do have a few backlinks, but we really want to get these numbers up. So Google sees it, and you can get some more traffic to your site. I hope that you found this helpful. So basically, if you get some more content on your site, get some citations and backlinks going, you're really going to be in good shape and hopefully beat out some of your competitors. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Leave us some feedback, and hopefully this helps. Have a great day.